Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me over Q2 of the weekly contest 481. Minimum deletion cost to make all characters equal. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this one. I think saying characters are equal is kind of weird. Just say same, English is hard, I think. It just makes it sound very weird, awkward. But in any case, it doesn't really matter. I'm just ranting because it kind of confused me and slowed me down reading. But the key thing to note is that sometimes for these problems, you can do it in multiple ways, right? Honestly, given that there are only 26 characters, you can even probably do 26 times n, and it'll probably be fine. I haven't tested that yet, so don't. So let me know in the comments if I'm wrong about that one. But in any case, there is still a quicker way, which is noting that instead of removing characters, you could just calculate what's the cost of keeping characters, and calculate it from all the costs by itself, right? So meaning that if it costs for this one, if it costs 1241 to keep A, well, if it costs 1241 to delete A, keeping them means that you just subtract them from the cost. And kind of from that observation, you could do it in basically one pass-ish. It's not quite one pass, but it is one pass through the string, and then you have a O of alpha, 26 characters at most, pass on the cost. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So basically the idea is just doing it in reverse. You get the sum of all the cost. You sum up all the cost based on the character, and then you take the best out of those, which is the total minus cost, because that's basically, you can think about it instead of the minimum, and you could write this in a different ways, because instead of thinking about minimum deletion cost, you think about like maximum keeping cost or something, right? Or maximum deletion cost savings or something. And this is the cost savings. And with these visualizations, maybe it'll allow you to code it faster. For me, for example, I did it in about 2 minutes. I think I had like some weird typo here somewhere. But that's all I have for this one. Is linear time. So I guess I lied about one pass. Now that I notice it, I actually have this, which is an additional pass. Though you don't need that. I mean, you don't need an additional pass anyway. You could just put this inside here and sum them up incrementally. So I don't know. But yeah, still linear time, constant space, or alpha space, where alpha is the size of the alphabet, which is 26. Keep in mind that this is at most 26 characters, right? And that's it. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. And you can watch me solve it live in contest now. 2790. Hopefully there's no edge cases. Okay, because I didn't really think there would be one. Which is maybe not a reliable thing, but non-empty and consist equal characters. What does equal characters mean? They're the same? The person who wrote this probably did not speak English. Non-empty. I guess it always has to be non-empty. Okay. Okay, right, and then now still the equal thing is still bugs me a little bit, not gonna lie. Something like that. I think 11, 13, 0. Why did I write C there? I usually write C in S for consistency. But this is by character. Okay, not by okay. But luckily, nothing has to change that much. Yeah, no, that's actually be more consistent with past Larry, so that these things are more precise. Okay, 11.13.0. Okay. I was also hoping for no edge cases. Huh, they're too cute. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem, this contest, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy, good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.